Make your own magnet. There are several methods. We will learn one of the method. For this, we will require a piece of iron and one bar magnet. First, place the piece of iron on the table. Take a bar magnet and place one of its pole near one edge of the bar of iron, as shown in figure. Now, without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now, lift the magnet and bring the pole of the bar magnet to the same point from where you begin. So, we should not lift when you are moving the bar magnet along the iron bar. Move in this way, that means repeat this process for about 30 to 40 times. One thing you should remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of movement should not change. You should move the bar magnet in the same direction for about 30 to 40 times. And when you are doing, don't change the pole of the magnet. If you do this type of thing, it will not work. Now, after repeating the process for about 30 to 40 times, now we can check whether the iron bar turned into a magnet or not. For this, bring some pins. If the iron bar is attracting the pins, means the iron bar is converted into magnet. And if not, repeat this process for some more times. Magnetic compass. A magnetic compass is a device that helps us in finding directions. The magnetic compass is a very old instrument used for navigation by the ancient people. It has been an important tool for navigators at sea. It indicates direction. Now, what is magnetic compass? A compass is usually a small box with a glass cover on it. Inside the box, a magnetized needle is pivoted, and the magnetized needle can rotate freely. And the compass has a dial with directions marked on it. The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction, and the direction are indicated by the needle. Its needle indicates the north-south direction when it is kept at rest. The compass is then rotated until the north and south mark on the dial are at the two ends of the needle. So this is how the compass is used to find direction. And in the dial, you can see different colors are marked. It helps to identify the direction very easily. Making your own compass. For this, the material requires are an iron needle, a piece of cork or wood, and a bowl. First, magnetize the needle using bar magnet. We already discussed how to convert an iron bar into a magnet. So repeat that process and convert the iron needle into a magnet. Now, insert the magnetized needle through a small piece of cork or piece of wood. Now, let the cork or the wood float in water in a bowl. Make sure that the needle does not touch the water. So, your compass is ready to work. Now, how you will check with the help of the compass? You will observe that the magnetized needle will always point towards north-south direction. When you rotate the cork in water, you will find out that when the cork will come to rest, the needle always point towards north-south direction. So this is how you can make your own simple compass.